In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from PayPal to bank account. We'll walk through what you need before you move funds, how to transfer on the PayPal website, how to do the same in the mobile app, and a few tips on timing, fees, and tracking. Before you transfer, make sure your bank account or an eligible debit card is linked to PayPal. In Wallet, choose Link a Bank Account, enter your routing and account numbers, and follow the prompts. PayPal may verify instantly, or it may send two small deposits to your bank. If you see those, return to Wallet and confirm the exact amounts to finish verification. If instant verification is offered, you might securely sign into your bank within PayPal to confirm ownership, which can save time. Linking first keeps transfers smooth and prevents delays. For best results, ensure the name on your bank matches the name on your PayPal profile. On the website, log in and go to Wallet, click Transfer Money, then Transfer to your bank. Select the bank you linked, type the amount you want to move, and review the transfer type. Standard transfers are free and usually arrive in 1 to 3 business days. Instant transfers typically arrive in minutes and include a small fee. Double check the destination and amount, review any fees shown on the screen, and click Transfer Now to submit. If you don't see the Transfer Money button, make sure the funds are available in your PayPal balance and not pending. You'll see a confirmation message when it's successful. In the PayPal mobile app, open it and tap Wallet or your PayPal balance. Choose Transfer, then transfer to your bank. Pick Standard or Instant, enter the amount, and confirm the details. Tap Transfer Now to send the money. After you submit, your balance summary will reflect the transfer, and you'll receive an in-app or email confirmation. A few important notes. Instant transfers carry a fee, typically 1.75% of the amount, capped at $25. Standard transfers are free. Make sure you have enough available PayPal balance before starting so the transfer doesn't fail, and verify your bank details are correct and confirmed. Transfer timing can be affected by weekends or bank holidays, so standard transfers may land on the next business day if you initiate them late. You can monitor the status and activity on the website or in the app and keep the confirmation email for your records. That's the process. If this tutorial helped you move money with confidence, give the video a like and subscribe for more clear, step-by-step PayPal tips and tutorials.